Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on how do I focus when discomfort distracts me? Acknowledge the sensation. Instead of ignoring discomfort, observe it without judgment. Break it down into specific sensations. For example, tightness or warmth, and notice how it fluctuates over time. Redirect focus. Shift attention to your breath or a neutral part of your body to balance awareness. Expanding your field of attention to include external elements like sounds or temperature can also make discomfort less overwhelming. Early on in your meditation process, especially if you are attempting cross-legged postures while you are sitting for meditation, discomfort will be a natural part of this process until you gain some experience and some flexibility. With that in mind, observing this discomfort, becoming aware of what is actually happening, i.e., tightness. If you are sitting and your hips begin to experience discomfort, this would be a tightness situation that you could label it as that and observe it as that. This tightness will continue, but it will reduce. So observing this change in this sensation will help you with awareness. Also, if you become discomforted or uncomfortable to a point where you are unable to focus on your chosen focal point, or you are unable to observe the discomfort from a comfortable observation point, let's say, then by all means change the posture, make whatever physical adjustment you need to make in order to salvage the meditation practice for that session and for future sessions. I would not advise making a habit of being overly uncomfortable. This will likely lead to meditation being more of a deterrent, but meditation wouldn't be the cause. It would be physical discomfort. So I would highly advise not allowing the desire to want to sit in certain postures to defeat the purpose of sitting in the posture, which would be to meditate. Redirecting your focus. This is something that I have practiced and currently practice, and it takes a certain amount of experience to improve in this area. When you begin to meditate, everything is distracting, but as you gain consistency and experience the benefits of meditation, your ability to redirect your focus will increase, allowing you to take better advantage of that skill set. And at this time, we'll bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils and simply observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils. Now we'll bring our awareness to the legs. We'll relax the legs. Relax the pelvis and the hips. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw. Relax the forehead. Namaste.